Hi everyone, welcome back to Fitness Well. This is Grace, and on this week's How You Money, we talked to Kelly from Freedom in a Budget. We learned her biggest secret for getting out of massive personal debt to traveling the world completely debt-free and guilt-free. So I hope you enjoy this week's How You Money.
What's up everybody? This is Freedom in a Budget, and this is how she monies.
I just wanted to pay off debt. I wanted to get married. My husband and I, we were not budgeting at all in the least bit and just kind of spending. And if I had $20 extra, I thought that was $20 to spend. So I was living paycheck to paycheck. I had my car repossessed at one point. I've had my lights turned off at points in my life. And so I just knew that if we were going to get married, I needed to get out of that constant cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and everything. And I realized that I needed to get my butt in gear and get my finances in order and just make it happen. So I just dug in deep and just did it. Number one money hack is track everything. If I spend 75 cents at the vending machine, I track in my budget. Every single transaction goes into my budget, my spreadsheet, and then at the end of the month, if I have any left over, that's going to a specific goal. A lot of people roll it over into the next month. No, that needs to go to a specific goal, whether paying off debt, whether saving, investing, whatever it is, put that towards it. And those little amounts, they really add up quick. Like you won't realize how much $20 here, that's going to turn into $100, $200, $500, and that's going to really catapult your progress and make you hit those goals so much faster. Oh goodness, I have so many influences. Lydia Sen, she is a huge one. She's so inspiring. Lately I've been getting into more investing, which has been really fun. So like JJ Buckner, True Financials, they've been really, really helpful with investing. Budget Girl, of course, she's amazing. An old one that they're not really on YouTube much anymore, but they still have all their content up, is Chuck and Sky Scroggs. They are so motivating. They're so down to earth, so funny, so real, raw. I just love them. One thing we spend a lot on is travel. Travel is really big for us. I just got back from an Alaskan cruise, and we spent like almost $7,000 on that cruise. And you know what? We're debt free, and we can do it, and we work in the budget, and we didn't go into debt for it, and didn't, take it on any credit card loans or anything like that on it. Best advice I ever received was just to start budgeting, start doing it, and don't keep on putting it off. Just make it happen, do it. How They Money, JJ Buckner. What am I up to? Oh goodness. I am starting my blog, getting really into that. Working on some courses right now, which are really fun and exciting. And just growing my YouTube channel. I'm having so much fun with YouTube. It's such an incredible platform. I absolutely love it. And just growing that. You can find me everywhere. I am on YouTube, Freedom in a Budget, Instagram, a little bit of Twitter, freedominabudget.com. All the hot places.
So that was Kelly's How You Money. Pretty neat tip that she gave us about tracking all those extra dollars and rolling them up to paying off debt. That's an awesome tip. And super awesome to hear of someone who went from having their car repossessed to then paying off all their debt and getting to take this crazy trip. That's pretty awesome and something inspiring for me. Hope you love this video. Make sure to check out some of our other videos here. And if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe so you can see all of our upcoming videos. And please comment below. We'd love to hear who you want on the next How You Money. Otherwise, see you next time. Bye guys.